Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna create a quick in-depth review about this video content creation platform and editing tools, which is Renderforest. So let's really dive into it. The Renderforest is a user-friendly online video creation and editing platform that's ideal for content creators, marketers, and social media users. It offers a wide range of templates for promos, intros, slideshows, and animated videos, which make it simple to generate professional looking content without prior editing experience. Its drag and drop interface, built-in stock footage, and music library together with cloud-based workflow are big pros, especially if you want things done fast and hands-on editing isn't your thing. On the downside, the Renderforest is free or comes with a lower tier plan with a limited support quality, which often capped at HD rather than full HD or 4K. With watermark and the strict customization, the fewer templates are less control over timing effect. For long or more complex projects, the platform can feel limiting compared to the desktop video editors. So in my opinion, Renderforest works great if you need a quick template videos with minimal effort, but powerful user or pro-level video marketer may find it too basic for advanced editing needs. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.